So you might be wondering if iPhones have fingerprint sensors anymore. Now, the way to kind of think about this is that as of this point, a lot of iPhones do not have fingerprint sensors. A really easy way to tell if you have a fingerprint sensor or not on your iPhone is to tell if you have a notch or a dynamic island. If you have a notch that looks something like this, or if you have a dynamic island that looks something like this, then you are basically not going to be able to go through and get a fingerprint sensor on your particular iPhone. So kind of keep that in mind. There is no fingerprint sensor built in inside of your iPhone. A lot of Android manufacturers have it inside of the fingerprint sensor right here inside of their device, their screen. That's always something really nice to have. Unfortunately, with these types of devices, with our iPhones, we basically do not get any sort of fingerprint sensors inside of our device. So that is kind of a disadvantage. You can also double check your iPhone if it has a fingerprint sensor, because the older ones used to have it. And that's by going inside of your settings application like this, scrolling down until you find a little thing that says like Face ID and passcode. If it says Face ID and passcode, that means you do not have a fingerprint sensor inside of your iPhone. If it says Touch ID and passcode, then that means you have a fingerprint sensor. The older iPhones that basically gave you the home button, those are the ones that basically have fingerprint sensors inside of the device. But the newer ones, like I said, with the notch and dynamic island, they do not have any sort of fingerprint sensor in them. So kind of keep that in mind when it comes down to it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.